Hey guys, today I'm going to be telling you how to get working coupon code on Smart Network. So make sure you watch till the very end to understand the entire process step by step. The first website is DealSpot.R. So what you need to do is head over to your Google and you're going to search for DealSpot.R Smart Social Network promo codes. And then the first website that comes up, you're going to click on that, which will look something like this. So you can see they have this 20% off coupon code and everything that you can choose from. After that, you can see the next website we have is greenpromocode.com, and to access this website you're going to head over to Google and you're going to search for greenpromocode.com for smart money network coupon codes, and then this website will come up. You can see this one is free shipping, 5%, $25 off, $20 offer, everything. And the last website that we have today is Worth the Penny, and the process is same. Head over to Google, search for Worth the Penny smart networking system of coupon codes, and then click on the first link and it will show you all these coupon codes that you can use. And there you go, this is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.